Alright, so this video is going to be about Mars. Mars, bitches. Mars. Now, as far as I'm concerned, my theories about Mars are no longer theories. I think they're fact. You can't dispute it anymore. How can you can't dispute it anymore? I was right. Now, here's how it works. Something could happen way off in a different part of the universe that affects other things in the universe at specific places in time. The universe is a well-oiled machine. It's very precise. It's like a galactic clock. It's like a record that you can play over and over. It repeats. It works because the universal laws that govern everything are universal. You know, we've had all these theories about how the Earth was created. And there's all these theories, but you never hear the other theories. There's the popular theories that have been ingrained in the mass of people, and they consider those to be fact, and they're just not. Earth was not formed with Pangea. It wasn't just one island in the middle of an ocean. No. All the continents didn't break apart. No, that's not how it happened. Look to Mars, and that's what Earth looked like. Okay? It was all one big landmass. And at specific points on the planet where there is phenomena that happen due to electromagnetism at the poles, at the north and south poles and the equator, certain sweet spots where it confuses the hell out of the bonds that make up the matter, and it changes them periodically at specific times, very specific times. And so the planets, Mars is not a dead planet. It is anything but a dead planet. If anything, it is a baby planet. It's just starting off. That's how the shit gets formed. It changes the elements. And H2O is very unique. So as far as I'm concerned, my theories are fact. You can't dispute it anymore. You had the Phoenix lander on there. I've been saying this months before the lander landed. And they go there, and they have the Phoenix lander. They scrape 2 inches under the surface. What do they find? Ice. It's right under the ground because the elements change in different layers. It's just like if you had a test tube and put different liquids in it, and it would stack all the different layers. You could have different different liquids being different colors. and you can see the different layers. And it's just the way that the elements react. Why do you think they picked the name Phoenix? Out of the ashes, it's reborn? Because it's... Yes! Look at Mars. Look at the stuff that's going on there. And now NASA and JPL Laboratory, I think they are dumbfounded. And they are just... I don't think they know how to present it to the masses of people. And they know for a fact that it's ice now. It's not disputable. They scraped under there, saw that it was ice, and it evaporated. And NASA is not telling the people the truth. They are not telling the people the whole truth. You know, they give you these black and white images, and it's just... Don't you think, with all their money, that they could have a video camera? Video? Scrape under the surface and film it, video it? I think that would give you a good determination of what's going on the surface, don't you? You might learn a little bit more by having actual video instead of just pictures. I know for a fact NASA is not telling the people everything that they know. They find out their information, they gather their science, and then it goes through a filtering process. And they cherry pick what should the people know. Is the public ready to know? Is the public ready to know? I think they are. Well, I don't think that it should be lied to. It's dependent on levels of consciousness. There's a direct link between consciousness, and I'm not just talking about my consciousness. I'm talking about the global consciousness raising up. There's the internet now where you can communicate to each other and spread information very quickly. Study Mars, follow the water, see where the water's actually coming from, and you'll understand how all the water got on this planet. And it changes everything. Everything. It's not a theory, it's a fact now. You can't dispute it. Those are the facts. I was trying to tell people it's going to be there, presented to people, and you can't deny it.